Hey guys, part of the video that I'm doing during the process of the cafe racer, the CX500, I'm really keen to finish the bike and I don't want to stop. So my strategy is very simple. This pair, bar RFY, came from China. Review saying that that's alright. Of course, it's China. $71 including shipping to Switzerland. So, and it's arrived really fast. I ordered it in I think 5 days after it was in my doorstep. So basically there is an issue with them with the CX500. I will get into it. My strategy was like, okay, I'm gonna invest $71, and when the bike will be ready, if I manage to get a Showa or Olins or forks, so I will get one, like a pair, and I will install them. If not, I will install this one, and I'm gonna install this one just that I can get to the DMV here in Switzerland and basically pass the inspection and make the bike road legal, and that's the goal. So this is why I bought these two. Okay, so they come, this is how they come basically, in a box. I didn't do unboxing, seems ridiculous to open a box and wasting time. Basically what's going on here, it's these two wrench keys, whatever you want to call them, is for adjusting the suspension. You need two, for the preload and for the lock. And the thing that I noticed so far, I didn't install them, it's that basically that part here, take this one, that part here doesn't fit to the tube on the CX500, and then I took the old one, and apparently the old one doesn't have this metal cylinder as well, like this one. It's supposed to kind of like protect the rubber, and then it's more longevity. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install them as is. I don't care about the rubber, but I will spray the pins, the suspension mounting point on the upper part. I will spray it with a Teflon spray or a silicone spray, and after that I will let it dry a little bit, and then I will put some grease that basically it can still keep the movement. There is no much movement forward and backward, so suspension, give or take, will work more or less vertically, vertical axis, so I don't see any problem with it. They look really nice. Honestly, I'm surprised. I don't know how they function. I don't know. If I will have a chance to ride them, I will make a review on them. So far, they're quite alright. I'll give you just a brief look. So this is the suspension. Look, quite alright. Okay, they write down here, warning, high pressure, blah blah blah, nitrogen gas, see owner manual for disposal and adjustment, blah 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 blah. I didn't get the user manual, just get in a box and that's it. FYI, so there's no user manual. Another thing is that you can basically adjust the length if needed, and then you lock it. Or if you need to basically adjust it, I don't know, from some odd reason, if you're going to use it on an ATV or something, or quad, sometimes the mounting is different, so so far that's it. I'm gonna do some more video when I get forward. See you later, guys.